Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a skincare routine specially tailored for Indian teenagers. Let's talk about how to keep your skin glowing and healthy with a simple, effective routine that suits your skin type and the Indian climate. Ready? Let's get started. First up, the morning routine. Start your day with a gentle, sulfate-free cleanser that suits your skin type. For oily or acne-prone skin, look for ingredients like salicylic acid. If you have dry skin, hyaluronic acid is your best friend. Some great options are Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser and Neutrogena Oil-Free Acne Wash. Next, apply a hydrating or balancing toner to maintain your skin's pH balance. Always opt for alcohol-free toners like Plum Green Tea Alcohol-Free Toner or Simple Soothing Facial Toner. Hydrate your skin with a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer. Gel-based moisturizers are perfect for oily skin, while cream-based ones are ideal for dry skin. Try Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel or Cetaphil Moisturizing Lotion. Finally, never skip sunscreen. A broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 is crucial to protect your skin from UV damage. Lotus Herbal's Safe Sun UV Screen, Matte Gel, and La Roche-Posay Anthelios Sunscreen are great choices. Now let's move on to the evening routine. Start by cleansing your face again to remove the day's dirt, oil, and makeup. Exfoliate 2-3 times a week with a gentle exfoliator to remove dead skin cells and prevent clogged pores. Avoid harsh scrubs and go for chemical exfoliants with AHAs or BHAs like the Ordinary Glycolic Acid 7% Toning Solution or COSRX BHA Blackhead Power Liquid. Apply toner again to maintain your skin balance. If needed, apply any acne treatments, serums, or spot treatments. Products with benzoyl peroxide or salicylic acid can be very effective. Try Clean and Clear Persagel 10 or the Ordinary Niacinamide, 10% plus zinc 1%. Finish with the same moisturizer from your morning routine to keep your skin hydrated overnight. Now let's talk about weekly treatments. Use a face mask once a week based on your skin's needs. Clay masks are great for oily skin, while hydrating masks work wonders for dry skin. Some of my favorites are Innisfree Super Volcanic Pore Clay Mask and the Face Shop Real Nature Aloe Face Mask. Before we wrap up, here are some general tips. Maintain a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and water to support overall skin health. Avoid using products with high alcohol content, strong fragrances, or harsh chemicals that can irritate your skin. Stick to your routine consistently to see the best results over time. Remember, everyone's skin is different, so listen to your skin and adjust as needed. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found this skincare routine helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to your channel name, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Take care and stay glowing. See you next time.